All right, what's going on Facebook? What's going on, everyone here? It's Casey from Alt 1067. We're here in the AT&T Access Granted Lounge, and we've got some very special guests all the way from Kingston, Ontario, the Glorious Sons. How you guys doing? Good. We've got Jay and Chris and Brett. And now, this is the first show that you guys are doing this year, correct? On the tour?
Yeah, this
year,
yeah.
All right. You get to Detroit much from Kingston, Ontario?
We've been here 4 or 5 times.
4 or 5 times.
I've never really visited myself. We have a couple friends that come and visit every now and again.
The Detroit treats you well when you're here? Okay.
Yeah. I heard there's some cheap houses I can buy.
So. That's true. They're playing a sold-out show. I think it's sold out. It's almost sold out if it isn't. So it's going to be a great show tonight at the Shelter. They've come by to play for us and all these fine folks who have skipped work and crossed the border and to come hang out with us here today. So you guys are huge in Canada. Congratulations on all your success. And now we're late to the game here in the States. What's the big difference between the music scenes, and is there much difference?
There's just a lot more bands down here.
Yeah.
You guys are pretty much 10 times our population, so there's as many bands in California as there are in Canada. So it's a very tight-knit scene up in Canada. You know most of the musicians. It's a pretty big family up there. But other than that, it's still music and it's still people, and it's the same thing.
Now, how long are you going to be out on the road? This is your first show, so you guys are just doing the road trek thing here.
I don't know, Jay?
This is a short little run. We're just out till Sunday.
Okay.
Then
wow.
We go back out the end of the month, and we'll be gone for a good portion of the spring into the summer, I think.
When you guys are out on the road, what do you do to blow off steam? What do you do for fun?
Eat nice dinners and drink a lot.
There we go. That sounds good to me.
We don't
well, you're in the right
hobbies.
place.
Yeah.
You guys ready to play some songs?
Yeah.
Are you guys ready to hear some songs? All right. The Glorious Sons.
Hey baby, it ain't that late. We can get breakfast if you stay away. We got your daddy's credit card, come on, let's get high. Don't give up now, for God's sakes. I ain't sleeping when we're breaking on the edge of a day. Don't you wanna make this feeling last a while? You got the money and I got the heart. I know a guy that delivers to these parts. So don't you come down on me. Don't you come down on me. Don't you come down on me. Tonight we're gonna be just fine. One more for the road, kid. Let's go down to the water and get out of our heads. Standing by the shore, you can hear the lake breathe. The feeling takes you hostage. It's rushing from your heart into the palm of my hands. We can make this little prison city feel free. You got the money and I got the heart. I know a guy that delivers to these parts. So don't you come down on me. Don't you come down on me. Don't you come down on me tonight. We're gonna be just fine. The sun's going down on the city again. Don't it look lonely? I don't wanna feel lonely. There you go, fading on the edge of the bed, looking so lonely. I don't wanna feel lonely. So don't you come down on me. Don't you come down on me. You got the money and I got the heart. I know a guy that delivers to these parts. So don't you come down on me. Don't you come down on me. Don't you come down on me tonight. We're gonna be just fine. Thank you. Josie took a cab out of town and then she turned it around. She said they'll never let me leave this place. She gave the cabbie her money and said, don't look down. He didn't have a clue what she was talking about. All the locals know her as Joe. She drinks Manhattans and wears gentlemen's clothes. She likes to get high when she's low and break the hearts of boys for the fun of it all. Josie rides closely to the line. She's high and she's trying to survive. Born with a little bit of trouble in her eyes. Josie rides closely to the line. Go, Josie, go. Johnny cut a deal for an album that he never put out. He's got a place in a bed for when he's coming down. Josie sees something that he don't see in himself, and now she looks the other way when he's fucking around. All the locals say they don't know why she lives so fast and she moves so slow. Josie rides closely to the line. She's high and she's trying to survive. Born with a little bit of trouble in her eyes. rides closely to the line. Oh, go, Josie, go, it's okay, don't change, just throw it all away. It's okay, don't change, just throw it all away. Oh, go, Josie, go, Josie, go, just throw it all away. It's okay, don't change. Go, Josie, go. Go, Josie, go. All the locals know her as Jo. She drinks Manhattans and wears gentlemen's clothes. She likes to get high when she's low and break the hearts of boys for the fun of it all. Josie rides closely to the line. She's high and she's trying to survive. Born with a little bit of trouble in her eyes. Josie rides closely to the line. Oh, go, Josie, go, it's okay, don't change. Oh, go, Josie, go, it's okay, don't change. Oh, go, Josie, go. Go, Josie, go. Thank you. All right, we're going to throw a little curveball in here. Yeah, always find something wrong. You've been putting up with my shit for way too long. So gifted to find what I don't like the most. So I think it's time for us to have a toast. Let's have a toast for the douchebags. Let's have a toast for the assholes. Let's have a toast for the scumbags. Every one of them that I know. Let's have a toast for the jerk-offs that'll never take work off. Baby, I got a plan. Run away as fast as you can. You should find pictures in my email. I sent this bitch a picture of my dick. I don't know what it is with females, but I ain't too good at that shit. See, I could have me a good girl, still be addicted to the hood rats. And I just blame everything on you. At least you know that's what I'm good at. Yeah, always find something wrong. You've been putting up with my shit just way too long. So gifted to find what I don't like the most. So I think it's time for us to have a toast. Let's have a toast for the douchebags. Let's have a toast for the assholes. Let's have a toast for the scumbags. every one of them that I know. Let's have a toast for the jerk-offs that'll never take work off. Baby, I got a plan. Run away as fast as you can. Run away from me, baby. Run away from me, baby. Run away. When it starts to get crazy, why can't you just run away? Baby, I got a plan. Run away as fast as you can. Run away from me, baby. Run away from me, baby. Run away. When it starts to get crazy, why can't you just run away? Baby, I got a plan. Run away as fast as you can. Run away from me, baby. Run away from me, baby. Run away. When it starts to get crazy, why can't you just run away? Baby, I got a plan. Run away as fast as you can. Run away from me, baby. Run away from me, baby. Run away. When it starts to get crazy, why can't you just run away? Baby, I got a plan. Run away as fast as you can. Thank you. All right, this is going to be our last one. Thanks for coming. Well, I spent all my money on a pack of cigarettes for a lady that I love with a name I forget. That night I taught her how to laugh, she taught me how to slow dance. Tried to take her home, she said you don't stand a chance. I'm the closest thing my mother had to a daughter. I used to be ashamed of that, but now I'm kinda flattered. I learned that my weakness is a weapon anyway, so I haven't touched a pretty thing in 40 days. Everything is alright, if only for the night. I forgot what it feels like. I set out on a dream that I couldn't understand. It made me happy, sad, love, lonely, and numb to what I had. A few too many favors from a few too many fake friends. I'd wake up in the afternoon and do it all again. Yeah, punched a man on his wedding night. I'm still trying to figure out how to apologize. I in the morning light can't fix nothing anyway, so I haven't touched a pretty thing in 40 days. Everything is alright, if only for the night. I forgot what it feels like. Everything is alright, if only for the night. I forgot what it feels like. Ooh. I can feel it, babe. I feel it coming through. Everything is alright, if only for the night. I forgot what it feels like. if only for the night.
I forgot what it feels like.
Thank you. Thanks for coming out. Thanks for having us. Yeah, thank you so much. Cheers, guys.